Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace of healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical illness is at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But first, let me give you your word of the day. Scorpio is the voice of your heart. What are the lyrics in your heart, your spirit, your soul that screams for you to be original? You came in this world by yourself, therefore you're going to leave. No one has your same fingerprint. No one has the same talents as you. So it's time for you to leave your mark, your footprint. Make sure you leave your legacy. But first, how do you do that? Listen to yourself, listen to your heart. What are those lyrics? What are the contents? And I want you to hone in on that and believe in yourself. You're a superstar. You are a celebrity. You are bringing something that, a healing presence, whatever your gift is that we all need. It's time to lock in because we're transitioning to your winning season. I silence fear in me and I discover the voice of my heart. Once you confront fear, it runs away, it dissipates, and it never returns. Well, of course, it's going to come back, but every time you stand up to fear, it cowers. And then you have the world at your disposal, at your fingertips. And then you just rise, you keep on rising. So I want you to continue to make fear cower. Stand up for what you believe in yourself. The fruits of these words guides my soul. And I trust the song that's in my soul. My intuition leads me onto the path of light, which is your gift. Naturally, once you're in your gift, it never feels like work. It feels like service that you just love to do because you make a difference. So remember, listen to the voice of your heart, not to your friends, foe, mentor, school, teacher, spiritual advisor. It's time to listen to yourself and spring into action. Be that superstar, be that celebrity. Remember, love one another, be kind to one another. And please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.